Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to go live on your TikTok. Before anything else, so you don't waste your time, I just want to note that you need at least 1,000 followers to go live, or you need a viral video that might give you permission to go live even sooner. So if you have a problem with going live and you don't have the option, then that might be why. However, if you do have if you have reached 1,000 followers or have had a viral video, this should be how you go live. So click at the plus at the very bottom of the screen, like you would if you're about to record a TikTok. And now at the very bottom, under the red button where you start recording your TikTok videos usually, you can scroll and you simply go to live to the very right side here. And now you have a few different options. This is if you just want to go live directly from your phone. And then you have mobile gaming, which is if you want to stream from your phone a game that you're playing. And you have live studio, which links up with your PC to stream your games on TikTok. And that is how you go live on TikTok.